forgive me, man. Please forgive me. I'm eating right now. I'm a little hungry. So, I wanted to come to you really and talk to you about something, man, that was on my mind because I'm a little pissed off right now, to be honest with you. Don't you hate when you're networking with somebody and they don't give you all the information? They tell you one thing, this is what it does, this is what the pay, this is this, and this. You get into it a few days, and they flip the fucking strip. Now, man, you know what, to be honest with you? I'm starting to feel I fucked up. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I should have weighed this out a little bit more. But I was talking to the lady, man. The lady kind of sold me because, well, she's in the office. She don't know what the fuck going on in the field, you know what I mean? Man, this shit ain't right, bro. The money, nothing. You know, the job is nothing, honestly. It's what they want you to do and how they got it set up. Like, they almost got it like they want you to spend money to help them do their project, pretty much. I ain't here for that. I'm here to help you finish your project, and you're going to pay me for my time. Anything extra, I'm not doing all this extra shit. I'm not kissing nobody's ass. And then, man, bro, there's so many fucking pricks out here, you know what I mean? And I don't even have no issue with that because I just had to check another one today in front of another superintendent. Both of them had big eyes because they didn't think I was going to check him, tell him how I felt to his face. You got me fucked up, man. I'm not the average cat you used to seeing. You know what I mean? I'm not the average nigga from a cotton field. You better get that shit out your mind. You know what I mean? Like, I can't stand that shit, man. So, you know what? I pulled his coattail. He tried to play with me, and I told him, I said, man, you're a fucking asshole. Why you say that? I said, man, you didn't even introduce yourself. You didn't say hi, nothing. You just walk in front of me with this guy and think you can play with me. I don't know you. And then he was like, and then he walked off. The other superintendent's like, damn. You know what I mean? I just started doing my job. I'm like, nah, man. I'm not with that bullshit, man. Sometimes you wonder, is it BS written on my fucking forehead or something? I don't know, bro. But you know what? It's going to be all right. This shit going to work out. If I got to stick long enough to recoup, most definitely where I already invested in my money before I get the fuck out of here, that's probably what's going to happen. I'm waiting on this lady to call me back now. Let me know, you know what I mean, what I need to do. Because I kind of broke it down. I'm like, hey, you didn't explain all this to me. I mean, this is information that you can't have from someone who's traveling fucking 10, 11 hours to come do a fucking job. You got to have everything on the table. Or I would have said, nah, I'm cool. You know what I mean? Hell no, I'm not fucking with y'all. You figure this shit out. Man. Bro. Bro, I'm pissed right now. I'm not even gonna front. I'm fucking pissed. Like, I'm so fucking mad right now, bro. I can fight somebody. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. And then on top of them not giving me the information, I got to deal with these fucking pricks, which is cool because I'm gonna check their ass. Fuck them. You know what I'm saying? My chick. Man. But you know what? This job has proven something to me that I knew I'd already been there. But you know, I don't mind networking with certain people, helping them, you know, money right. Hell yeah, I do it. But I'm realizing that I can't work with someone who is a prick or an asshole or racist. I can't do it. Like, I can't tolerate it. Like, that shit rubs me wrong. Like, fuck my whole day up. Like, I can't do it. You know what I mean? I'm past that shit. I just want to come in, do a job, and go to the fucking house. You know what I mean? I don't want the extra shit. You keep that shit. But then again, like I say, they ain't used to seeing nobody like me. And I'm going to make sure. I'm going to make sure they remember me before I leave this bitch. You know what I mean? Because as far as my work ethics, oh man, it's impeccable. You already know what I've been out here. And that's what fucks them up because they see me pull up. I got all my gear and shit. I got my shit. I'm taking care of business. You know what I mean? I don't need no hand. Hey, can you rig this? Yeah. They looking, thinking I was going to ask for a hand. Hey, how you want me? Nah, I know how to fucking rig. I rigged the shit. We did it. Got the job done. That impressed the shit out of them. They thought I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Yeah, just because I'm black don't mean I'm a damn fool. You know what I mean? Bro, I'm just bidding with y'all right now because I'm just pissed. Brothers and sisters, because I know I got both that's watching me, man. Um, I'm going to just say this, man, before I let y'all go. Keep me in your prayers.